I know. I'm not gonna catch this thing. I've tried to. This is the one. I know. That was happening before. I made the last video. I'm gonna open it carefully. Be nice. It's okay. Alright, so you may not see it, but it's there. It's right there. See the thing? Hi! Hi, see this thing? It's not even moving, it's looking at me. It's got a little bit of bird poop on its head, which I honestly don't want to touch, and it does not know what I'm saying, because it's just like, what? What? Huh? What? Huh? Okay. So it's adorable. So I at least want to get a little closer so you guys can see. Okay. So, a little bee. Hi! I want to see how close I can get. Hi! Oh, scared away, but you can see it's on the neighbor's fence. I think. There it is. Yeah, guys. I could not hold it or anything, but I'll be back with you for an update video after. I'll see you in a minute. See how close I can get. That thing was cute. Guys, it hasn't even been a minute later yet, but I'm just gonna come out and check on it. See if it's okay. Well, it's still on the fence. Still there. I'm not quite sure what I gotta do to get it back, but I'm gonna go to maybe the backyard to maybe check for like some kittens or anything, just to see how many cute kittens or anything I can find. Right now I'm just getting my songs on. There we go, all done. So guys, now I'm officially downstairs. Here's the thing we were up on before. And no bird signs, but I know, something I do know, that I saw the mailman put some mail in my mailbox. So, up. Okay. Now I'm just gonna shut the mailbox.
It was only really helpful in his schizophrenic patients who had severe depressive symptoms. Based on these observations, he tested the new drug. His findings were so promising.
You guys, I don't know if you heard that, but I'm gonna say that. Don't want my dad to hear because I heard him. I heard him singing, so he was like, whoa, 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 whoa. Like, usually it's just like, la la la. But now he's just actually like, whoa, party. That was just weird. Anyway, guys, no sign of the bird, except I see that bird still on the fence. I don't know when it'll move. And the place will go until it rains, I guess. Stay tuned. Next video will be coming out soon. Bye bye.